Best Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Coffee Maker. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Single Serve Plus Coffee Maker. Brew with a single serve pack or ground coffee, grounds basket included. Brew up to 10 ounces with a single serve pack or up to 14 ounces with ground coffee. Brew with a single serve pack or ground coffee, grounds basket included. Brew up to 10 ounces with a single serve pack or up to 14 ounces with ground coffee. Easy to use. Simply lower the lid and brew. Use regular or bold brew options. Easy view. Water window is visible from front and side. Contains a storage area inside. Cup rest. Make a personal cup of coffee with the Flexbrew single serve coffee maker and enjoy the added flexibility of brewing freshly ground coffee in single serve pack. With just the lowering of the lid and the press of a button, you can have a hot cup of coffee, brewed from a K-Cup pack or your own grounds. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker in Black. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker provides multiple brewing options. Brews a single cup in about 90 seconds and features a 56 ounces water reservoir. Works with ground coffee and your favorite brand of coffee pods, sold separately. Brews single cups or up to 12 cups in the carafe. Brews a single cup in about 90 seconds. Provides multiple brewing options. 56 ounces water reservoir. Brews your favorite ground coffee or your favorite brand of coffee pods, coffee and pods sold separately. Select a brew lets you choose bold or regular brewing strengths. Using a pod lets you brew 6, 8, or 10 ounces of coffee. Brewing with coffee grounds lets you choose from 5 brewing sizes, 6, 8, 10, 12 or 14 ounces. Brews up to 12 cups of coffee with your favorite grounds using the carafe. Set up wake up ready coffee with easy touch programming. Auto pause and pour lets you pour yourself a cup before brewing. Shuts off automatically 2 hours after brewing. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew 2-Way Thermal Coffee Maker in Black. The Hamilton Beach Flexbrew 2-Way Thermal Coffee Maker lets you brew your coffee from a variety of sources to create an aromatic blend of Java. From fresh grounds to K-Cup packs, choose your option and enjoy coffee just the way you like it. Versatile Coffee Maker lets you brew coffee just the way you like it. Combo Coffee Maker lets you brew a full pot using your favorite grounds on the carafe side or make a cup for yourself using a single serve pack or grounds on the single serve side. Compatible with fresh coffee grounds or Keurig K-Cup packs, sold separately. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew 2-Way Coffee Maker in White. Flexbrew 2-Way Coffee Maker from Hamilton Beach lets you brew a single cup for yourself or a whole carafe for the family. Single serve side brews up to 10 ounces or 14 ounces with K-Cup. Carafe side brews up to 12 cups. Brew coffee using either your favorite grounds for up to a 10 ounces cup or K-Cup for up to 14 ounces. Includes a 12-cup carafe for brewing a full pot and a single serve side for individual servings. Separate heaters for carafe and single serve. 2 easy fill water reservoirs both with water window. Programmable timer with 2-hour automatic shut-off on carafe side. Regular and bold brew strength selector. Single serve pack holder and grounds basket with fine screen to reduce sediment. Easy to remove needle assembly. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Dual Coffee Maker with Milk Frother in Black. Enjoy an elevated coffee experience in your home with the Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Dual Coffee Maker. Brews coffee using ground coffee or K-Cup pods and comes with a frother that works with all types of milk to prepare lattes, cappuccinos and more. Dual Coffee Maker prepares coffee from your favorite ground coffee or K-Cup pods. Built-in milk frother lets you make creamy and frothy lattes, cappuccinos, macchiato, and hot cocoa. Prepares both hot and iced coffee drinks. Milk frother works fast while your coffee is brewing for hot, flavorful lattes in 2 minutes. Froths up to 3.5 ounces of hot or cold froth for your favorite iced and hot coffees. Can froth any type of milk or cream. Shot setting makes it easy to make concentrated coffee shots, when you want stronger coffee. To save space on the countertop, the frother power base folds up when not in use. Brew coffee directly into your favorite coffee cups and mugs. Fits travel mugs up to 7 inches tall. Cup rest minimizes splatter and stores the brew basket to minimize countertop clutter. Single serve option.